Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a client CRM in ClickUp without using any pre-built templates. So step 1, create a new workspace from ClickUp and name it Client CRM. Inside the space, create a new list called Clients. Create new list and name it Clients. And then add custom fields such as company name, contact person, email, phone number, project status, and last contact date. Step 4. Switch the list view to table for a CRM style layout that shows all your client info at a glance. Step 5. Use the tags feature to mark clients by type. For example, prospect, active, VIP, or follow up. Step 6. Add tasks under each client row if you want to track project details, meetings, or tasks per client. Step 7. Set up automation to change status when follow-ups are due or notify you if a client hasn't been contacted in such days. Step 8. Save this layout as a view and you have now got a fully custom CRM built right inside your ClickUp. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.